Home inspectors from all across the country often send us their scariest finds, and some of them are pretty scary. So we've asked our guys to pick their favorites and see what we come up with. Tommy, did you pick one?
Yeah, I did. So look at this. This is a deck.
This is great.
This is from an inspector in Alaska. His name is Jim, and he sent this picture. Now, first of all, you got to look at this deck. It's pretty level. All right? But look at how he held this up. I mean, you've got a couple of smart engineering points right here. That beam right there is supposed to be plumb. It's at an angle. But look at how he supported the columns.
He saved some money right there.
He saved some. He didn't have to redig them. They're about 2 feet away from the outside. But he's got a beam running up on an angle, but he now sistered another diagonal to it. So he engineered that post. Now he made a half of a scissor truss out of it.
Yes.
Do you trust that? Do you trust that?
I trust it, but look at the lateral movement. That's not going anywhere.
Go wrong with that.
I think it's been there for a while.
And look at the grill, perfectly level. I mean, what else do you
You're
need?
easily impressed.
Lucky thing it doesn't snow in Alaska.
I think he gets some paint on that, he can get another 10 years.
Well, I'm going to show you guys something a little bit more funny. Look at
Oh,
that.
my.
This was a combined project between you two. You two
There's
were
an
like,
McCullough Silva.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the front. This is the front of the house. Now,
low
this is code compliant, by the way.
Yeah, oh, yeah,
that's
right.
It's like a little Tommy step.
I was going to ask,
Oh, that
did you
hurt.
ship that
That
out?
hurt.
Did you ship that out?
This one comes from Cleveland.
I love
Oh,
This combines two of my great loves, pipe fitting and wine.
Yeah,
This is a
that's
cork.
a cork.
This is a cork. What? Right.
cork.
In a steam pipe.
That's a wine
Right,
cork.
right. As they say in pipe fitting, any port in a storm.
Oh, I've heard that before as well. Yeah.
Was it a good year?
Very good. Yeah.
I would just uncork that right there. Let it just dump in.
But these
Why
are kind
not?
of fun. So if you're a home inspector or a homeowner and you've got your own submission you want to send in, we'd love to hear from you.
crazy.
Unbelievable.
Absolutely crazy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.